According to China EV Post, China's power battery installations reached 75.4 gigawatt-hours in December, a 57.3% increase year-on-year and 12.2% higher than November. CATL led the market with 34.29 gigawatt-hours installed, capturing a 45.48% share, up from 42.71% in November. BYD followed with 17.49 gigawatt-hours and a 23.19% share, slightly lower than its November share. CALB ranked third with 4.2 gigawatt-hours and a 5.57% share. Lithium iron phosphate batteries dominated December's market, accounting for 80.9% of installations, with 61 gigawatt-hours installed. This marked a 95.1% year-on-year increase. Meanwhile, lithium ternary batteries made up 19% of installations, with 14.3 gigawatt-hours installed, down 13.4% year-on-year. For all of 2024, China's power battery installations totaled 548.4 gigawatt-hours, up 41.5% year-on-year. CATL maintained its leadership with 246.01 gigawatt-hours installed, holding a 45.08% share. BYD came second with 135.02 gigawatt-hours and a 24.74% share, followed by CALB with 36.48 gigawatt-hours and 6.68% share. You are listening to Yuan News.